You know, I've tried out a lot of different survival shelters, and hands down, this is my favorite one if you're dealing with cold weather. If you're getting rained on or snowed on, or there's lots of wind, a lean-to might be better. But if you're just straight up trying to survive the cold, this is the best. The shelter isn't complicated. The key is just making sure you warm up the ground and warm up whatever's going to be behind you. The second key is to try to get your bed higher than the fire. Heat goes up, and so that if you're slightly elevated, you're going to catch a lot more of that fire's heat than if you were down on the ground with the fire. I think this shelter would work in even colder conditions than when